Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy A20e. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. I already did that, so I can open it right away. And from this screen here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Receive on Samsung and Send on Nokia. Following that, tap on all of those dots on Nokia smartphone and choose Send. This way you can select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file. Choose Send and click on Got it. Over here on Samsung, choose No Thanks and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Samsung, choosing Allow and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive. Now, after literally a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!